We're going out for a haircut. Nesa's driving today.
You've entered the parking lot for your destination.
That's already planned. Right in. Great clip. Di ba, Nes? Ayoko. There's your nose. Where's my nose? There's my nose. Where's your nose? There's your nose. Where's my nose? There's my nose. Where's my nose?
Oh, there.
Where's my nose? That's my
Ano?
mouth. Where's my nose? Where's my nose? This is my nose. Where's Baby Jude's nose? That's Baby Jude's nose. Where's my nose? This is my nose.
Travels, gardens, ikinobo ikibana, zero waste gardening, making money, painting, family, friends, prayers. Please like my video. Please ring the bell below for notifications. Naku, maraming salamat po sa inyo.